Thanks for joining us. You know what? I started looking at cloud and I saw this initiative called Growth Solutions. So I sought you out and found you. Can you tell us a little bit about what Growth Solutions is? And really, since our whole topic is about sort of value here, what was your mindset of why we even went ahead and created this initiative?
At the core of everything that we do, we have always kept in a growth mindset, and we play this role of a solution aggregator for our partners. And, we constantly are enabling our partners to build practices, increase revenue, and of course, drive profitability. We have always followed the leads of our vendors on what technologies, vendors, products, or solutions that we will take to market, and how we take that to market with them. That we will always follow the lead of those vendors, and that's how we usually define our go-to-market strategy and tactics. But if you really think about it, especially in today's modern world, it is truly the customer who is leading the innovation path, and they require a modern approach, a modern solution to their modern needs. So, and then if you really think about it, thinking about the customer and how we bring that to the center, we have started to look into those business outcome centered solutions that, really focuses on the customers and how they use what type of solutions in the next couple of years, and how would they spend their investment dollars in what solution areas. And in order to be able to help our partners to capture as much of the opportunity that exists today, and also to prepare at the same time, prepare them for where the opportunity will be in the next couple of years, we have started to zero in key growth solution areas that really help us and our partners and our customers to maximize their success, and then really help them for what is the need today for the customer, and also prepare the customers and also the ecosystem for what is to come in the future. And that's really the true purpose behind these growth solution areas. And in order for us to really to start identifying where are those areas that we can focus on, we have started to spend a good amount of time doing the research, the market research, and the market analysis. And also we have worked with different industry analysts within the market, like IDC and Gartner, to identify what are those solution areas that the customer will be spending most of their time and resources and energy to build those type of services with the partners, and then really enable them. And then we have identified 4 main growth solution areas. The first one is modern cloud platforms, which is led by myself. And in the modern cloud platform is really all about the modern infrastructure, the solutions, and the services and catalog of products that are available on the hyperscalers cloud platforms. That includes, all the IaaS and PaaS and infrastructure as a services and platforms as a services that are available on AWS, Microsoft, and Google, for example. And the modern cloud platforms has the highest total addressable market, which is around $427 billion. And our goal is to really help and prepare the channel partners to build a practice around that. The second one is seamless security. We all know about security. It's top of mind. And the goal here is to really prepare the partners to also build practices to, help customers secure their data, their workloads, their devices, their identity in the cloud, and then really work with a variety of vendors that we have in our portfolio. And then the third one is connected workplaces. We are familiar with this. After COVID, a lot of organizations have started to, enable their workforces to work from anywhere. And that's really this is what all about, and we have seen a lot of big vendors within our portfolio that have invested in this topic. And it's really about, how we can help our customers to increase profit, increase productivity and collaboration, and really enable their employees and their customers to be from work and connect with their workplaces from anywhere. And the last solution area is what we call business performances, which is really focused on the business applications and really helping those organizations to increase their efficiency, their performances, and then also streamline their business operation processes within their organizations. That's really those four main areas. It doesn't mean that this is the only four areas I will be focused on moving forward, but that's where we started, and that's where the areas that we see the highest, or the most customer demanding solutions in the market in the next couple of years.
Oh, thank you very much for that. And my original thought when we started this conversation was to kind of ask you, what kind of partner would benefit from working with Growth Solutions. But I actually listen when we're having these interviews, and I heard you keep saying customer.
Mm-hmm.
So I think maybe the better way to talk about that is what kind of customer is really going to benefit from a partner engaging through Growth Solutions, because it sounds like what you're talking about is really the target is that end customer and what their needs and requirements are, and you're really a platform to enable any partner who wants to address those kind of customers.
Absolutely. If you really think about it, within my growth solution area, we have these modern cloud platforms, and we have always started to selling services and that are available on Azure or AWS or Google. So how do I sell virtual machines, or how do I sell backup? But what we have started to see for the partners and also for the customers is the business outcomes. If you're really working with a line of business within any customer organization in any verticals that you work with, even if it is SME or enterprise, it is really the business outcomes that in the end of the day, the customers are looking for. And if we prepare the partners to start building practices or provide services, and then match them with the right technologies, within the right vendors. And our goal here as a distributor or as a solution aggregator is really to enable our partners to be in front of the right customer with the right opportunity at the right time, with the right technology and the right solutions to offer those customers. So in order to be able to achieve that, we have a wide range of partners that we can work with. And any partner who who see this opportunity within their customer base, that there's this certain solutions or business outcome solutions that are in demand for their customers, they can come to us, reach out to us, and then they can start building a practice. And it's not like a one-time type of services or product to resell to that customer. It requires time, and it's like a transformation journey, not only for the customer, but also for our partners, to start thinking about how they can build that practice. And we have different maturity stages. We have land, where the partner is new into the practice and they just start, understanding about what the offerings are, or what type of offers to build and go to market with it. And then we have adopt, where that partner already adopts that technology and they already have the right services, and they have a domain, they have built that domain expertise at least with one vendor, and then go deep with that practice. And we call them adopt. And these partners usually have a bigger customer base, and they want to be very specific about the type of solutions or services that they offer to the customer. And then we have expand, where now the partner is ready to expand their portfolio, go to work with multiple vendors, multiple technologies, to be able to really handle more customer solutions and demands in the market.
So I love the business outcome idea. That's what we've been trying to do here. So I'm glad you're taking care of it on your side too. And thanks for joining us today.
Absolutely. Thank you for the opportunity.